What's up guys, Thomas from FT Speed. Today we're doing the new products of August. Now first up, we have the OLM Aggressive Rear Roof Spoiler. This is a pretty low profile design and it has little minimalist vortex generators kind of built in. This is a very glossy carbon fiber, so it's gonna match any color car you have because carbon fiber is the new black. Now moving on to the Supra side, we've got some new OLM and TR style rear spoilers. Now we've got them two different flavors. We got your standard carbon fiber up here, or if you want to go a little bit more exotic, you can go with the forged carbon fiber look, which is kind of seen from like exotic cars, like the Lamborghini Huracan has kind of trickled their way down into the aftermarket world. So if you want to get rowdy and add some forged carbon fiber to your Supra, you have that option now. They fit really good and they kind of bring a more aggressive line out to the factory duckbill. So if the factory duckbill just molded in the trunk wasn't enough, now you can accent it with some nice carbon fiber. Now if you didn't get the super cool launch edition Supra, you got these pretty basic gloss black mirrors. But if you want to spice things up, we got these carbon fiber covers for you, and they're molded exactly like the original ones. I walked past this earlier today and did not notice because it looks OEM. It even has a little raised little kind of vortex generating things on the side. It looks factory. They just pop right on. They're 3M on the back and super easy to install. Now keeping with the carbon fiber theme for the Supra, we've also got some carbon fiber door handle covers. We've got a defroster garnish cover. We've got an upper speedometer cluster cover and a center speaker cover. Now if you have any questions at all, feel free to send us an email at sales@ftspeed.com. All the links are going to be down in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Next up are the OLM TRD carbon fiber bows. Shoots street cred. Okay.